So the question often arises, if you're injured on the job and you can go back to work, but because of restrictions, you're not able to make as much money as you made before, are you entitled to workers' compensation benefits? Clients call and ask our workers' comp attorney, Daniel Garza, that question all the time. And generally, he's going to advise you that in that situation, you can qualify for temporary, partial disability, depending again on the stage of your case. And if you want to know how that applies to your case in particular, that's perfectly why you need to call and talk to Daniel Garza, our workers' compensation attorney, and he'll advise you how that applies to your specific case. But a very common situation is you've seen the company doctor, and the company doctor, after a little bit of treatment, says, okay, I'm going to release you to go back with light duty. Well, you go back in light duty, and either there's not as much available for you, or you're not paid the same, and so your earnings are reduced. That's a very, very common situation. So if that's what's happening, call us, talk to Daniel Garza. He'll be happy to share his 20 years experience with you. And if your medical care isn't really what you need, we can refer you to private doctors who don't work principally for insurance companies and don't work principally for employers. And there's not a lot of those doctors out there, but they're going to look out for your own interests first, and that can result in you getting higher benefits and more long-term rewards. So remember, the call to us is free, the information is free, and the person who's going to benefit the most by making the call the earliest is always